This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with a stable platform. Secure the slide and center the specimen over the light. Use the lowest objective, 4x or 10x, because it gives the widest field and easier coarse focusing. Once the stage is near the top position, lower the condenser slightly to improve contrast. Make sure the light intensity is moderate so you can see details without glare. Use coarse focus slowly until the specimen comes into rough view. This establishes the reference plane for finer work. Now you refine the image. Rotate to a higher objective such as 40x after you have a clear coarse image, because jumping up too early risks colliding with the slide. Once on 40x, adjust the condenser and iris diaphragm to increase contrast. These changes reveal subtle structures. Use the fine focus knob in small, controlled turns. Tiny adjustments matter. If using oil immersion later, prepare a single drop of immersion oil and proceed carefully to maintain optical clarity and objective safety. To complete imaging, move to the highest objective only when necessary. For 100x, apply a single drop of immersion oil, then slowly bring the objective into contact with the oil. Use fine focus to find the sharpest plane. Once done, retract the stage and clean the oil from the lens. If the image stays fuzzy, check alignment and that the cover slip thickness is correct. Then recenter the specimen and readjust condenser and diaphragm. Make sure to clean optics after use to prevent residue buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.